Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about the M3 Macbook Air. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So literally days ago, Apple announced the new MacBook Air with the powerful M3 chip, taking its incredible combination of power efficient performance and portability to a new level. With M3 MacBook Air is up to 60% faster than the model with the M1 chip and up to 13 times faster than the fastest Intel-based MacBook Air 1. And with a faster and more efficient neural engine in M3, MacBook Air continues to be the world's best consumer laptop for AI. The 13 and 15-inch MacBook Air both feature a strikingly thin and light design, up to 18 hours of battery life, a stunning liquid retina display, and new capabilities including support for up to 2 external displays and up to 2 times faster Wi-Fi than the previous generation. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. With its durable aluminum unibody enclosure that's built to last, the new MacBook Air is available in 4 gorgeous colors. We have the Midnight, which features a breakthrough anodization seal to reduce fingerprints, Starlight, which is the space gray and silver, combined with its world-class camera, mics, and speakers, MagSafe charging, its silent fanless design, and macOS. MacBook Air delivers an unrivaled experience, making the 13-inch model the world's best-selling laptop and the 15-inch model the world's best-selling 15-inch laptop. So customers can order starting today. You can order right now, right? The MacBook Air is, the most popular and loved Mac. That's a statement, with more customers choosing it over any laptop. And today, I don't know if I believe that, guys. And today it gets even better with the M3 chip and new capabilities, said Greg, who's Apple's, of course, right? Who's Apple's Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing. We have a statement and it reads, from college students pursuing their degrees to business users who need powerful productivity, or anyone who simply wants the unmatched combination of performance, portability, and industry-leading battery life, all in a fanless design, the new MacBook Air continues to be the world's best thin and light laptop. So it seems like, Apple and Mac, they want some smoke. They're saying, hey, we the best. Come get us. So the M3 takes MacBook Air performance even further. Game titles like No Man's Sky run up to 60% faster with the 13-inch MacBook Air with the M1 chip. The one, right? And there's also enhancing an image with AI using Photomator's super resolution feature is up to 40% faster than the 13-inch model with the M1 chip, and up to 15 times faster for customers who haven't upgraded to a Mac with Apple Silicon, the one. Working with Excel spreadsheets is up to 35% faster than the 13-inch model with the M1 chip, and up to 3 times faster for customers who haven't upgraded to a Mac with Apple Silicon. I ask this question often: what is the cybersecurity risk you see in this laptop or new model? So video editing in Final Cut Pro is up to 60% faster than the 13-inch model with the M1 chip, and up to 13 times faster for customers who haven't upgraded to a Mac with Apple Silicon. Compared to a PC laptop with an Intel Core i7 processor, MacBook Air delivers up to 2 times faster performance, up to 50% faster web browsing, and up to 40% longer battery life. They're coming strong, right? They're coming strong. They're not trying to play games with nobody. So more people choose MacBook Air over any laptop. Yeah. Who think that, right? And M3 raises the bar yet again with its phenomenal combination of performance, portability, and capabilities users love. Do you guys agree with that statement? I don't know. So that is what I have for you today. Please let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I want to say I appreciate your viewership. I appreciate you watching and supporting. Please stay safe and see you on the next video.